it's not a right of the receiving parent to get the child support. Technically, it's the right of the child to be supported by the non-custodial parent, or back when non-custodial had a meaning,
Yeah.
before parents regularly shared the parenting time and joint custody was the norm, the party where the child is living most, or now more the financially disadvantaged party, gets some sort of payment to help them with the children's expenses. But the law says that that's a right of the child. But it's never been established that the child has a right to a cause of action against the parents for that. It's just the jurisprudence basically says the parents are limited in what they can do regarding the child support because it's the right of the child and not the right of the parent to receive it.
Right. And so then this is where, and some of this you know from reporting in the media and stories you've seen, and then also from the file. So what happens, or what's purported to happen, is that a child is underage, is sent to Jamaica to essentially like a troubled teen facility, something along those lines. And this facility, I believe, was shut down.
Mm-hmm.
And so that juvenile said that during the time that the juvenile was 17 when this happened, that he's making the argument that his parents didn't provide adequate education or support, so he would be entitled for back child support. He filed, and this is very important for the purposes of how Angela is ruling how she ruled, whether we agree or disagree. But she makes a finding that says he can't intervene because he filed this before he turned 18.
Yep.
And just because he intervenes, I'm allowing him to intervene. I'm not ruling on the merits. At this point, no ruling on the merits as to whether or not he's entitled to child support. That's the hearing that we're waiting for.
But she weighed the right to intervene as someone claims to have an actual interest in the subject litigation, and I don't think that's tough to argue. I think it's easy to say that a child has, but I mean, the implications are huge.